Hello dears, let's come to discuss the very interesting and important property of CSS, the transition property. As the name shows, transition occurs when some event occurs. So transition CSS property is a shorthand property for transition property, transition duration, transition timing function, and transition delay. So let's take this example given. So if we press here, so it's the transition is in margin right. So from the right side you can see the margin of right will be transition will be occur on the margin right side, and the delay for 2 seconds. Okay, you can see 2 seconds. So you can see a couple of transition occurs, so it is very interesting. So let's we apply. We have created this div with a class name circle. Okay, so let's first style. Let's we apply the basic style to this div. Okay, so we take the width. We take the width of this to be 150 pixels and height to be 150 pixels, and background color, for example, we take red, and we take this property, for example. Okay, so come to this and refresh. You can see circle is div is created and it is styled. Okay, I'll apply some margin. I'll take as a 50 pixels. Okay, so you can see it's now we have created now the margin of this div with the two sides is the four sides is 50 pixels. Okay, now we cover this. Okay, so what we will okay, instead of directly div, we can use the class name like dot circle. Okay, and then you can see here still the same result. So we will write the transition and we take as of 1 second. Okay, transition of 1 second. So but nothing happens. Why? Because the property during the transition is not specified. Okay, so we will specify the transition, what will happen during transition. So we will specify, so we write circle and hover. We apply the hover property. So hover occur when the mouse enter this div, not necessarily should be pressed, but enter. Okay, so we set the border radius to be 50%. Okay, so first remove this. You can see once border is dot circle and it is hover. Okay, is so dot hover and bigger border radius is set. Okay, so you can see when mouse enter this div block, so you can see a circle is created, but there is no transition time. So we can specify the transition time using the transition property. So we write as of 1 second. Okay, so it's now so interesting. Takes 1 second to convert it to circle. Okay, so if we take it as a 3 seconds, suppose, now you can see take 3 seconds. Furthermore, if we want only the background color to take okay, so during hover we have only set the border radius, so we can also set the background color to be like green. So you can see when it is converted to circle, means when hover occurs, so these two properties are applied. One is border radius, so it means it is converted to circle, and then color is also converted to green, but transition is 3 seconds. Okay, so you can see now. Go back when mouse is up, so it is then converted again into the original shape with a red color. So this is original shape with a width, height and red color, and when hover occurs and the transition is 3 seconds. What if we want to only change the background color? What if we give transition only to the background color, not to the this radius? This means when a mouse enter to this block, so soon it will be converted to their circle, but the background color will take 3 seconds. So you write the background color. Okay, we will write the background color to take 3 seconds. Okay, so you can see when mouse enter, soon it will be converted to circle, but it will take 3 seconds for background color to become green. Okay, so if we write only the border radius, the border radius will take 3 seconds. Okay, if you see, if hover occurs soon after the mouse is in, the background color change, like we see soon change, but it takes 3 seconds for this block to convert it to the circle. Okay, further we can specify more property like we make like background color. So it is now converted to background color is taking the, okay, but we can use delay. It will be occur for 3 seconds, but we use 1 second delay. This means it will start the transition which will take place for 3 seconds, but will be started after 1 second, so we give a delay. Okay, so this means when mouse enter, soon it change, but after delay of 1 second, transition occurs for 3 second duration. Okay, So this was the basic transition property. In next video, I will brief you in more detail about the transition.